Blackbird Bakery shows off their products with a striking and professional storefront that they built all by themselves. Though it seems like a large task for a bird to do, not to mention a little bird with little wings, Weebly makes it easy. Also, the bakers are human and, disappointingly, not birds. How'd they do that? It's easy to customize your own storefront and even add products or categories to any page on your site with two elements: products and categories. To create a storefront, first add a new standard page and give it a name. Choose whether you want a header or not. For this site, we'd like to have a list of featured products as well as categories. So let's add our products. Make sure you've already got products added to your store, unless you just want a blank page. Select products by search or browse categories. You can expand a category by clicking here. And if you select the category itself, it will add all your products within that category, including any products you add later. Click Select Products when you're done. Next, choose a layout. Grid is, well, a grid. Masonry adapts to the dimensions of your images and can create a more stylized look. Multi-image displays multiple images if you've added more than one. And single row is a single row that can be scrolled through. Once you're done, click on the element to bring up the dialog box. Here you can adjust the number of columns, add pagination for product overflow, and adjust the display of images in a variety of ways. Change image aspect ratio, change button name and style, turn on or off name, price, or short description, and choose how you want your information displayed. You can customize these to reflect your business and show off your products exactly the way you want. Add categories to a page by dragging on the element. Search for or select the categories you want displayed. Choose your layout. Then customize just like you did with your products. And that's how you do that.